Look over there. We're here. Look at all the planes.
But
You see all the planes, guys?
that's a gray plane that was going really slow.
Yeah, we saw a plane that was going slowly, didn't we?
Yeah, that one was called a snail plane.
A snail plane?
Hi!
Yay! Looking at all the planes, guys. Come on. This museum has a lot of things. That's some other kind of artillery sort of thing, I think. We can look in the museum and find out. And see, here we have some planes. Look, guys.
Which one is the big World War II or World War II?
I think that the green one might go back to World War II. It has a mouth, right? Does it have a mouth?
And look.
Look, it's painted on it.
Look at its number.
AF-188. AF-72188. We're right here on the highway, so there's lots of noise.
I can see it with an eye.
Ooh. Yeah, it's got one eye. And look at these things. This is an attack plane. Wow. Well, look, it's got weaponry on it.
Jamie, don't you see?
Oh, wow, what's that? That says U.S. Air Force. Look, there's two more. And we've got the back end of this one. Look at this. Whoa. That's the inside of the plane. That's pretty neat, huh? Look, see, because here's another one. Really neat, huh?
It says U.S.
Air Force. Yeah. Who wants to head over to the museum? Yay! All right, there goes Noodle. Right, Ilea? Woohoo! Jamie, you want it ready for the museum?
Yes.
All right. We're here. Coming on in, guys. Woo! Look what we've got, guys. Look. They've got some model planes. I can look, that's the hangar in there. That's where they keep more planes. Look at this. This is like a gunner's turret? Is that what they call it? This is for gunnery. B2 it says.
Mommy, look at the pilot airplane tiger.
A what?
Mommy, look at
Got some more things over here.
the airplane pilot tiger.
Oh, it's an airplane. Oh my goodness, see, that's actually the proper pilot here. Just look at the hat. That looks right.
Mommy, it's a plushy airplane.
Oh my gosh, a plushy tiger. That is irresistible. That's okay, Ilea. What do you want me to see?
It's a boat with lots of planes.
That's a model aircraft carrier, I think. Get into this? The gunnery?
It looks a little
Oh, it's scary, huh? But Jamie's gonna go in, right, Jamie? Okay, look at that. Woo! Look, it's Jamie! It's Jamie! Do-do-do-do-do.
You want me to go in it?
Oh! Wow, that's pretty neat. And then you can get in. It's not gonna hurt you. All right, come on. You're gonna get in too? Oh, yay! Yeah, all right. Look at that. Yay, Ilea! Yay! Is that fun? Yeah. That's really neat, isn't it?
Ready to get out?
What is this? Is this?
C-47.
It's a C-47? Is that exterior real? Is that the original exterior? Jamie is in the plane. Say hi, Jamie. Yay! Is Ilea up there too already? Oh, wow. Mummy's gonna try to get up there. Oh, there's Alyssa. Hi, Alyssa B. Ilea, did you have fun up there?
Let's film.
Yay!
Let's film ourselves.
Oh my gosh, what is in here? Oh wow, look, this is neat. It has like the old style passenger seats. Wow, look at this. This is the inside of this plane. Oh wow, did this one see active service in World War II?
Yeah.
A Bell 47. MASH? Oh my gosh, like the series MASH? Oh wow. Leah's going in and Jamie's already in it. This copter, he told me, is from the 1940s. Isn't that amazing? Jamie, say hi. Is that fun? Yeah, are you pretending to be the pilot?
Bam!
Bam! Wow. Maybe we'll see it in an air show sometime.
Look, his goggles. His goggles.